Moyen, wie geht it? How's it going? So as you know, I am in the midst of my challenge to see as much of Luxembourg as I can using nothing but public transportation. I started in Luxembourg City. I went to Clairvaux by train. I went to Insenborn by bus and back to Edelbrock by bus. And now I am on the way to Echternach by bus. Echternach is like the oldest town in Luxembourg, one of the most unique. It's beautiful. It's got amazing rock formations and lots of outdoor activities and hiking and mountain biking, and I just can't wait to get there. I love it. I think Beaufort Castle is over here. So this would be castle number 4. All right, let's head to town. I'm not in so much of a hurry. I'm gonna take a later bus so that I can get something to eat. So, we're in Echternach, which was founded by St. Willebrod. And that is where we're going. We are going to see the statue of St. Willebrod. That is right over there. This an idiot who's directing this, he thought that was the basilica. This is St. Willebrod's Basilica, which is just awesome. And every year, Echternach has the hopping procession, which is in honor of St. Willebrod. And all the dancers and processioners come through here, and this is where it ends. St. Willebrod's remains are actually buried in the crypt underneath the church. But right now, we're gonna go see the statue. We're gonna get the church in the background. Ooh. All right, nice job. Looks good. So there's just one more thing I want to check before we head to Rhemish. So let's go. So right now, I'm in Luxembourg. But right now, I'm in Germany. Luxembourg, Germany. Luxembourg, Germany. I gotta get to Rhemish though. All right, let's go to Rhemish. Echternach is done. Bring on the Moselle.